guys, you're watching Gutter Gaming, and today we are playing some Subway Surfers, as you see. New update just came out with it today. I think I've been on airplane mode for a couple of days, so I don't know how long it's been. I think it's the first time since they actually redesigned the railroad tracks. I know they redesigned the cars, the railroad cars and the other stuff. It's kind of cool. It's actually the real place is in Italy, so little geography lesson. Be doing some FNAF 3 later. Yeah, been fun doing this. Did you see that boat on the? There's a book out there. It's Geronimo Stilton. I used to read those. It's Trouble in Vinci, I think. Or there's this one book, that he's in Italy, and I really like it. It was a good book. Before I grew out of those books, Mobizen's not being laggy. It's just my goofy old tablet. Yeah, I only had my tablet for 4 months. Not even. I don't know. Crazy how my channel has grown so much, guys. Just 2 weeks. A little bit more than that. It's actually been. If last Friday was my 2 week. Sweet. Today's my 3-week anniversary. Yay! Yay! Pretty cool. Almost a month. 10 more days. I think. I know I made my channel on a certain day, but I didn't start uploading videos on my channel until another certain day. So, yeah. Do some Minecraft PE. New update on Minecraft PE, guys, is awesome. You can play survival games, Sky Wars. Tell you all the seeds of those names. For some reason, it's saying invalid name. Dodger, he didn't do a video on it. He played it in school because we had electronic day, so and it worked. It was awesome. This has been going around. It's a little older, but just in case y'all didn't know, as y'all know, I'm a guitarist and I keep up with like musicians and what's their trivia going on. And BB King passed away like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, sad. Just now learned his song. Completely missed that jetpack, guys. This is going to be a shorter video because most of my Subway Surfers videos I have out there are like 7 minutes long. I know y'all don't want to do all that. Getting used to. Yeah, I've been trying to do a lot of my missions lately. I feel like I'm talking to the wall. Nobody's responding to me. So yeah, this is gonna be a 5-minute video. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, smash that like button and subscribe for more. So peace out, guys. Later.